Hey happy bees! This week we're going to make this bright rainbow with fondant fluffy clouds together. You can find links in the description below for everything that you need to make this cake topper at home, so let's get started. So you're going to need 6 different shades of fondant to create your rainbow. I'm making this using Renshaw fondant, and it helps to lay them out in the order that you're going to create them on your rainbow. So starting with a smaller piece first, you're going to take a cookie cutter. I hope you can see what size of cookie cutter this is. You're going to roll your fondant into a sausage shape and place it around your cookie cutter. Then you're going to roll your next colour and layer it on top. And you're just going to continue this layering process until you've got a basic rainbow shape. At this point it helps to brush a little bit of water in between each join. And use a long knife to trim off the bottom. Going to leave this overnight to dry now, so I'll see you in the morning. So it's the next morning and I can handle the rainbow. It's nice and firm and it's dry. So now we're going to get on to creating our fluffy fondant clouds. I've rolled out a really thick sausage of fondant and I'm going to use 6 pieces for either side. Roll your pieces into a ball shape and place them beside each other, and you're going to try and make your clouds symmetrical, so just try and remember where you're placing the bigger pieces and the smaller pieces. And if you're creating this rainbow cake topper along with me, make sure you watch this video to the very end. I have a few different rainbow designs and ideas for you to try it at home. So now you've got your basic cloud shape, you're going to roll out a thinner sausage of fondant and do the same. Now we've created our clouds, it's time to create a space inside them so we can set our rainbow inside. So you're going to set your rainbow on top of your clouds to create an indentation. Then you're going to use a ball tool to go along that indentation, push down into the cloud, probably about a centimetre or so deep. You want to make sure that your cloud's going to hold on tight to your rainbow. Push your fondant in behind your rainbow to make it nice and snug. And if you follow my channel, you know I don't go very far without my edible dust, so we're going to dust these clouds just to make them stand out a little bit. Going in initially with some snowflake edible dust and use some petal blue around the edges and outside. And again, you'll be able to find links to any of the products in this video in the description below. These are affiliate links, so when you buy something using one of my codes, you're supporting Happy Bee Cakes, and trust me, every little bit helps. Now this rainbow looks really good, I'm so happy with how it turned out, but if you want something a little bit different, why not add a little smiley face onto your rainbow? Or if you want to go for the personalised touch, you can even add a name as well. Click on one of those boxes on your screen now for more cake decorating tutorials. But in the meantime, I'm Amanda and this is Happy Bee Cakes. Keep creating and sharing that amazing gift you have. See you next time.